3.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 3 and we're going to explain about implementation of Advanced Encryption Standard. And my name is Nafir Wizurai Sabidillah.
My name is Dafira Mafadilah. What is computer security? Computer security basically is the protection of computer system and information from harm, theft, and unauthorized use. It is the process of preventing and detecting unauthorized use of your computer system.
And there are three things that is need to be protected. The first one is hardware. Hardware means a physical device that is exists in real world, such as CPU, processor, and memory. The second one is firmware. Firmware is an application that is implemented directly in hardware, and this kind of application usually cannot be edited. And the last one is software. Software means like a regular application such as text editor and system operation and etc.
And the concept of computing security, there is a confidentiality, integrity, and availability. And what is the confidentiality? Refers to an organization effort to keep their data private or secret. It's about controlling access to data to prevent unauthorized disclosure. And what is the integrity? Refers to the quality of something being well or complete. Integrity is about ensuring that data has not been tampered with and therefore can be trusted. It is correct, authentic, and reliable. And what is the availability? Availability is refers to the quality of something being well or complete. For the jeopardized availability, including hardware or software failure, power failure, natural disaster, and human error. In which of the performance of a system, website, web-based application, or web-based service in insanity and maliciously degrade, or the system becomes completely unreachable.
So what is encryption? Encryption is a method that is used to secure a certain data, which is usually a plain text, by scrambling it into a form that is unreadable by human and computer using a certain algorithm.
And what is advanced encryption standard? IS is symmetric key algorithm and uses symmetric block cipher. It is the comprises three key size 128, 192, or 256 bits. Furthermore, there are a different round of encryption for its key size. For the 128 bit, there are 10 rounds. 192 bit has 12 rounds, and 256 bit has 14 rounds.
And then next is implementation of IIS for securing and preventing data using IIS-encryption.net. The scrambling of plain text delivers a safe and nice significance for secure data and communication. The use of scientific discipline algorithm is completed for the aim of security in various applications like secured optical disk, content, message, etc. Secure data and communication in an organization or personal is one in all the foremost necessary things in present day. In present day business, and its requirement is rapidly increasing.
And this is the implementation of IS encryption. We will get it back. And this is how IS work. There's a first round, Etron key. Look for enron, there's a subbyte, cipher, mixed column, and Etron key. And we'll continue to the last round. There is a subbyte, cipher, and Etron key too. So, what is the subbyte conversion? Subbyte conversion is test of nonlinear bit placement, where each test byte is operated independently. This is the ASIF token Xbox. Xbox is pre-calculated replacement, table with holes, 256 number, and their matching resulting value. The subbyte step has it by in I, then the state matrix swap with the subbyte di. by means of an 8-bit substitution box known as the Rinjadel Xbox. The Xbox is created by merging inverse function with an invertible event transformation. The Xbox is selected in order to prevent any fixed operational networks.
And the next step is shift rows. Shift rows is a straightforward name, and this step is essentially what would expect. The second row is move one space to the left. The third row is move
Test, test. Uh, Sorry for the connection of Nevir. I will continue it. The shift row is the straightforward forward name, and this step is essentially what one expect. The second row is move one space to the left. The third row is move to the space to the left. And fourth row is move to space to the left.
3 space to the left. Shift state is inter.
And what is the mixed column? This step is a little tricky to explain. To cut out most of the math simply things, let's just say that each column as a mathematical equation applied to in order to further diffuse it. The task of this step is to take 4 byte as an input and output 4 byte, where every input byte have an effect on all the output 4 byte. Each column is transformed using phase metric operations. And for the Atron key, for every run in the Atron key step, a subkey is generated from the main key by means of Rinjadel case keydo. The subkey is combined with the state on the notwithstanding its subkey is the same size as the state. The 16 bytes of the result metric generated from mixed column states are then considered as 1 to 8 bits. In Atron key states, 1 to 8 bits of states are bitwise XORed with 1 to 8 bits of round key. If this result belongs to the last round, then the output is the ciphertext, also resulting 1 to 8 bits, and considered as 16 bits. And another run is start with the new byte substitution process. This is a column-wise operation between 4 bytes of state column and 1 word of round key. In the last run, there is no mixed column step.
And following are the benefits of or advantages of IIS. As it is implemented in both hardware and software, it is most robust security protocol. And the second one is it uses higher length key size such as 128, 192, and 256 bits for encryption. Hence, it makes AES algorithm more robust against hacking. The third one is it is most common security protocol used for wide various of application such as wireless communication, financial transaction, e-business, encrypted data storage, etc. The fourth one is it is one of the most spread commercial and open source solution used all over the world. The next one is no one can hack your personal information due to the security of IIS. And the last one is for 100 to 28 bit, about 2,128 attempts are needed to break. This makes it very difficult to hack it. As a result, it is very safe protocol.
And following are the backward disadvantages of AES. The every block is always encrypted in the same way. And the AES encounter mode is complex to implement in software, taking both performance and security into the considerations. So I will implement IIS with the AES-encryption.net. And this is, we text the plain text. There is halo kami, David dan Nevir, and there is the password, CCITFTWI, and we choose the 1 to 8 byte. And then we encrypt it, and the result of encryption in base, it will go to this ciphertext. So if we want to decrypt, we go to the decrypt menu. We fill this with the ciphertext, and We fill the password and choose the 128 by 2. And we decrypt it, and the result of decryption in plain text, halo kami, Davi, and Nevir. So the conclusion, IS can help protect the data that's sent, received, and stored using a device that can include text message stored on smartphone, running logs, saved on fitness watch, and banking information sent through the online account. Encryption is the process that scrambles readable text so it can only be read by the person who has the secret code or decryption key. It helps provide the data security for sensitive information. Okay, thanks for your attention. I'm sorry for the bad connection. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.